Was it 5 years
There
ago?
were 5 of us, but one was not his child.
So they say. That's what everybody said, but I really know. Okay. So what was the 5th one?
It was my mother's second marriage.
Okay. That makes sense though. Okay, so. He said you've seen him in dreams several times. You say 2013? Is he due past at 13? What was significant with 2013? Do you know?
Oh, there was a lot going on in 2013.
And he was already gone.
Yes.
He saw it. Yeah. Okay, so he's saying 2013. I don't know if that made sense. If that's private, you don't need to share that.
No, I'm not.
He's saying 2013. Okay. He's also made noises in your house. Had you had activity in your house? He said, I wasn't always the nicest guy.